Welcome to MBA Case Study Insights, where we simplify business case studies and business strategies in minutes. Every business student and entrepreneur is familiar with the SWOT analysis, but most use it like a checklist, not a strategy tool. And that one difference is why most SWOT analyses are completely not effective. By the end of this video, you'll understand how SWOT helps companies make better decisions, avoid bad strategy, and turn analysis into action. Let's go lightning fast. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths: what your business already does better than anyone else. Weaknesses: what's holding you back right now inside your own business. Opportunities: what's changing in the market that you could take advantage of. Threats: what's changing in the market that could hurt you. Now here's the part people miss. These four boxes are not equal. Strengths and weaknesses are internal. They're about you, things you control. Opportunities and threats are external. They're about the world around you, things you don't control. Most people fill in the internal boxes and stop. That's how strong companies get blindsided. Let's simplify using a real example. OpenAI right now versus Google. Strength: best-in-class models and hundreds of millions of users who already trust ChatGPT. Weakness: low monetization efficiency compared to Google and Anthropic. Opportunity: enterprise deals, new AGI products, and creating high-friction customer lock-in. Threat: Google, deeper pockets, better infrastructure, and a model that's been closing the gap fast. Now the most important part. Here is how to turn it into a strategic tool. Use your strengths to capture opportunities. Trusted product, untapped industries. That's the enterprise expansion play. Use your strengths to defend against threats. User trust and habit are what stop people switching the moment a better benchmark drops. Fix your weaknesses before competitors exploit them, and avoid opportunities that don't match your strengths. Here's the MBA lesson. SWOT is only powerful when it leads to strategic choices. A good SWOT doesn't just describe the business. It tells management what to do next. Hit that subscribe button if you found value in this video, and if you love strategy made simple. See you next time.